Unlocking the meaning of productive season. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, productive season. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it like a native speaker. Let's get started. The phrase, productive season, is made up of two words, productive, meaning yielding favorable or useful results, and season, a period of the year characterized by a particular climate or activity. When combined, productive season refers to a time period where someone experiences high levels of productivity or success. It's often used in business, academia, and personal growth contexts. In business. In a business setting, a productive season could refer to a quarter or a specific time when a company achieves exceptional results, like high sales or successful project completions. In academia, for students or academics, a productive season might be a semester or term where they achieve high grades, publish papers, or make significant progress in their research. Personal growth. In personal growth, a productive season can be a phase where an individual achieves personal goals, like fitness targets, learning new skills, or improving relationships. Let's see how to use productive season in sentences. The company's productive season led to record-breaking profits. I had a really productive season at university, finishing all my projects on time. She's in a productive season of her life, focusing on health and personal development. Understanding synonyms can deepen your grasp of productive season. Related phrases include highly productive period, boom time, golden era, peak productivity phase. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, productive season. Remember, it's all about recognizing those periods of high achievement and success in various aspects of life. We hope this video has been enlightening, and you feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy learning!